Welcome back to our English class. So what did we learn in our previous class? We learned a lesson called the wise lion and the fearful hare. So do you remember what did we learn here? Do you remember the story? Let's have a quick revision here. So this story is about the wise lion and the fearful hare. Why is the hare so fearful? Let's see. One day this hare, whose name is Honu, was resting under a big banyan tree. It was resting under a banyan tree, and a thought crossed his mind that what would happen if the earth were to break up. Then as soon as he thought this, he heard a thud followed by a rumbling sound. Then he thought that the earth is actually breaking up. Then after realizing this, he started running. Then he meets his friend Hanko, who is another hare. Then Hanko asked him, why is he running so fast? Then Honu shouted, the earth is breaking up, you better run too. Then both the hares started running as fast as they could. Then they were joined by other hares because they started shouting, the earth is breaking up, the earth is breaking up. Run to a safer place, save your life. As soon as all these animals in the jungle heard this, they also got caught up in panic. So they also started running in every direction possible. But there was a wise lion who was observing all this, and he wondered, why are they running in so much hurry? Then he goes to a parrot. The lion goes to a parrot and asks the parrot why everyone is running. Then parrot says the earth is breaking up. The lion asks, who said so? Parrot says, I heard it from monkeys. Then lion asked to monkeys, how do you know about the earth breaking up? Then monkeys point out to whom? Tigers. Then lion goes to tigers and asks the same. The tiger comes to know that Honu started this rumor. What is a rumor? Rumor is the information that can be true or false. Then lion asks Honu, what made you think the earth is breaking up? And Honu, trembling with fear, tells that I heard cracking with my own ears. So I heard the thud. Sir, I heard the thud and rumbling. That's why he thought that the earth is breaking up. Then tiger says, let us go to the place where you heard the thud. Then Honu led them under the banyan tree where he heard the thud. The lion investigated the matter. The thud Honu heard had been caused by a large coconut falling from a nearby tree. It had landed on a pile of rocks, causing a minor landslide. So it was not the earth breaking up, but it was a sound of coconut falling from the coconut tree on a pile of rocks. It was not the earth breaking up. So this was just a rumor. Then the lion ordered everyone, go back to your homes. You all have made a fool of yourself. The earth is safe. Next time check a rumor before acting it. Then all the animals left the place with their heads held low in shame. So the moral of the story is we should not believe every rumor that we hear. Instead, we should check whether it is correct or wrong. So this was about the lesson. Then we learned some new words here. Thud means what? A dull sound of something falling. Rumbling means a continuous deep sound. Scamper means run hastily. Horde means a large group. Investigate means to find out or to inquire. Rumor, as I said, information that may or may not be true. Breaking up means to break into pieces. Panic means sudden fear. Shriek means a loud cry. Implicate means caught up, involve or include. Trembling means shaking with fear. Then let's move to the exercise part. So we have some questions here related to the lesson. If you have understood the lesson, then it will be very easy for you to answer these questions. So let's see what are the questions. Answer the following questions. Exercise number 2. So first we will read the questions one by one. Question number A. What was Honu's weird thought? Question number B. What did Honu do when he heard the thud? Question C. What did the other animals do when they heard the hare shouting, "The earth is breaking up"? Question D. What did the lion ask the horde of animals to do? Question E. Did any of the animals have a reason for running? What was it? Question F. What did the lion tell Honu? Question G. What do you learn from this story? So I hope you know all these answers. Let's have a look on the answers. See here, what was the first question? What was Honu's weird thought? What was Honu's weird thought? Honu's weird thought was, what would happen if the earth were to break up? होनू का weird thought क्या था, अजीब thought क्या था? Honu's weird thought was, what would happen if the earth were to break up? होनू का अजीब thought ये था कि क्या होगा अगर धरती टूट जाएगी या फूट जाएगी. Then second question is, what did Honu do when he heard the thud? What did Honu do when he heard the thud? जब होनू ने वो बड़ी सी आवाज़ सुनी तब उसने क्या किया? When Honu heard the thud, he thought the earth was breaking up. He jumped up and started running. जब होनू ने वो आवाज़ सुनी उसे लगा कि उसका जो थॉट था वो सच हो गया है. उसको लगा धरती टूट गई है. So what did he do? He jumped up and started running. उसने एक छलांग लगाई और वो भागने लगा. Third question is, what did the other animals do when they heard the hare shouting, "The earth is breaking up"? What did the animals do when they heard the hare shouting, "The earth is breaking up"? And the answer is, when the other animals heard the shouting, "The earth is breaking up," they too got up in panic. They all followed Honu, and not long before, the whole jungle was on the move. Reptiles, insects, birds and four-footed animals fled in wild disorder, and their cries of terror filled the air. When the other animals heard hare shouting, "The earth is breaking up," they too got up in panic. They all followed Honu, and not long before, the whole jungle was on the move. Reptiles, insects, birds and four-footed animals fled in wild disorder, and their cries of terror filled the air. The next question is, what did the lion ask the horde of animals to do? What do you mean by horde? See here, horde means a large group. So what did the lion ask the horde of animals to do? He hastened down the hill and stood in front of the horde of animals and asked them to stop. What did the lion ask the horde of animals to do? He hastened down the hill and stood in front of the horde of animals and asked them to do what? Asked them to stop. The next question is question E. Did any of the animals have a reason for running? What was it? Did any of the animals have a reason for running? What was it? No, animals did not have a reason for running. They followed the rumor and ran for their lives. No, animals did not have a reason for running. They followed the rumor and ran for their lives. Question F. What did the lion tell Honu? The lion asked Honu what made him think the earth was breaking up. He told him that the earth is safe and next time check rumors before acting on them. The lion asked Honu what made him think the earth was breaking up. He told him that the earth is safe and next time check rumors before acting on them. Question G. What do you learn from this story? So basically this question is like, what is the moral of this story? As I told you, see here, we must not blindly follow the rumors. We must not blindly follow the rumors, but check them before acting on them. We must not blindly follow the rumors, but check them before acting on them. कोई भी रूमर को सच समझने से पहले उसे एक बार चेक कर लेना चाहिए कि ये सही है या नहीं, उसके बाद कोई एक्शन लेना चाहिए. सो दिस वॉज द मॉरल ऑफ आवर स्टोरी. नाउ एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3. नेम द फॉलोइंग. नेम एनी 4 reptiles. Reptiles, do you know? You have learnt it in your EVS class. Any 4 reptiles are snake, lizard, alligator and chameleon. Snake, lizard, alligator and chameleon. Name any 4 insects. Mosquito, housefly, butterfly and spider. Name any 4 wild animals. Tiger, lion, zebra and bison. Name any 4 aquatic animals. Fish, dolphin, whale and octopus. This is O. Fish, dolphin, whale and octopus. Reptiles means वो जानवर जो रेंगते हैं, ज़मीन पे रेंगते हैं. Insects means कीड़े. Wild animals means जो जंगली जानवर रहते हैं. Aquatic animals means जो पानी में animals रहते हैं. So this was about our exercise and revision. So we have revised our lesson. We have revised new words and we have solved the exercise number 2 and 3. We have got the answers for this question. From question A to question G, we have got all the answers. And we also solved exercise number 3, that is name the followings. Name any 4 reptiles, insects, wild animals and aquatic animals. So this is enough for today's class. So what you have to do, you have to read this lesson again, you have to revise this lesson and then you need to revise all these new words and then you have to write down this exercise in your notebook. So I hope you have understood this lesson and the answers. So we will meet in next class. In next class we will solve the further exercise. Till then, study well and take care.